Nagising ko lang. And ito yung araw ng day 1 ng ECQ. So walang pasok. So 1 week walang pasok. So dito na ako ngayon sa bahay. So makakasama ko ngayon si Sky buong araw. Ako sa bata. Si Sky gising na siya sa papa niya. So ako dito pa. Nagkakape na po ako dito sa labas kasama si Sky. So magiging video ko today is a day with Sky. Ayun, kasi parang ito yung araw ng ECQ, so magkasama kami buong araw. Kasi ngayon lang ito mangyayari kasi kadalasan ang bantay niya si papa niya. So ngayon ako magiging bantay niya. Sana hindi siya makulit ngayong araw. Kasi sobrang kulit na niya ngayon lately. So, ayan, samahan niyo po kami sa araw na to.
Hindi, may ha? May gigib sa'yo si Tito AJ.
Wow!
Tito AJ. What will you say? What will you say dito? Lah. Masaktan. What will you say? What will you say? What will you say? Give padding, oh. Kiss Tito, kiss. Kiss. What will you say, Tito?
Thank you.
Burger na ko. Ay, may burger na. Oo. Oo. Asan na isa? Ito, anak. Ay, wait, kiss. Baby, oh. Kiss.
Thank you. What's this, baby? Ano to? Ano to? French fries. Ito. Burger. This one? Uy. Ha? Hindi lang sama si Sky?
Yes.
Why? Nagpa-play ka lang kasi ng toys kaya hindi ka sumama. Bago ako maglinis ng kwarto is antay mo namin si Alan na bumalik galing doon sa fast food kasi bumili muna siya ng pagkain. So kasi nag-request ako ng spaghetti, then macaroni soup para kay Sky, and papalikan ko si Sky sa swimming pool niya. So ayun, siguro after nun update ko naman ulit kayo. Okay, so ngayon dito pa ako naupo. So update ko kayo ulit later, guys. Guys, yung spaghetti, so andito na siya. Spaghetti! All time favorite. Sana. Okay, later. So, sayang walang ketchup. Hot sauce. Tama, hot sauce. Sana may hot sauce to kasi may ligo ako sa maanghang. Kasi minsan nilalagyan ko siya ng hot sauce dito sa may taas ng spaghetti. So, meron tayo dito isang pang spaghetti tsaka palabok. So, ito toys ni Sky. Binili ng papa niya. Yan na. So, guys, kain.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Tadyan! Tadyan. Ayan, napalitan na yung chuchun. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Yung bata. Then, doon na po napunta yung TV and speaker. Then, napatan na yung kurtina. And yung bedsheet, napalitan na din. Frozen. So, yung mga gift kanina na nasa vanity, andun na po sila sa taas. Ayan. Thank you so much po sa magbigay ng mga gift nung kasal. Ayan po lahat. So, ayan na siya ngayon. Ayan na. So, okay na siya. Okay. So, guys. So, dito kami ngayon sa garahe. So, yun nga. Tapos na ako maglinis sa loob ng kwarto. So, sky time naman. So, ayun nga po. Yung nire-request niya lagi na mag-swimming. So, eto. Mag-swimming na siya. Baby? Swimming? Swimming ikaw? Happy? Are you happy, baby? Baby, look mama. Baby. Sky. Happy ka? Yeah. Summer na talaga, guys. Sobrang init na po talaga. Ay, sorry. Sobrang init na po talaga ng panahon. So, ayun. Swimming time. Happy, baby? Huh? Oh, galing ah. Ha? Sky lang. Sky lang swimming. tapos na po si Sky maligo. So, papatulugin ko na po siya. And, mukhang hindi pa naman siya inaantok. So, gagawin ko, tatalian ko na siya ng hair.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Wala. Kain, guys. Guys.
Lumapit sa akin, inapakan lang yung pa ako.
Sino? Ayos, matanggal isip mo.
Tubig ka, Carla. Magtubig ka na, magtubig ka. Sa pasimula. Ano na yun?
Hello guys! So ngayon, nanonood na po kami ng Netflix and afternoon natulog na po kami. So, baka makatulog po ako later or mamaya po, kaya magpapaalam na po ako. Salamat guys sa panonood ng video ko. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe na din po kayo sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Good night!